For this example, we are reflecting across the line y equals x. And we're supposed to reflect specifically PQRS with vertices P at -4, 1, Q at 2, 3, R at 2, 1, -1, and S at -4, -3 over the line y equals x. First thing I'm going to do is draw my line of symmetry. What does it mean for y to equal x? Well, if I take a table and I make an xy table, if my x is 0, then my y has to be 0. If my x is 1, then my y has to be 1. If my x is -1, then my y has to be -1. So it's easy to see that we're just drawing a diagonal line through the origin for our line of reflection. This one's a little bit more difficult to do visually. So first I'm going to just add my -4 and my 1 for my P onto my graph. So -4 up 1 for my P, and that's in blue. My red is going to be Q, 2, 3. So right 2, up 3. My R is at 2, -1. So right 2, down 1. And then my S, I'm going to do in black, and that's going to be at -4, -3. So now I have all of my points made. I'm going to connect the dots. So the nice thing about these diagonal lines is that they are pretty simple, but not visually simple. It's not visually easy to see exactly where it's supposed to go. But we can take each of these, and I can make my P prime, and I'm just going to swap my x and y coordinates. So my 1, -4. I'm going to find that on my graph. So Q is at +1 and then -4. My Q is at 3, 2, Q prime, because again I'm just swapping the two vertices. Right 3, up 2. My R prime is going to be at -1, 2. Again, I'm just swapping the x and y coordinates. R is -1 and then up 2. And then my S, I'm just going to have to do that one in black. My S prime is going to be at -3, -4. So I'm going to find -3 and then down 4. And I'm going to connect the dots. I'm going to shade my parallelogram that I have here. And notice how it is a reflection, but it's not visually intuitive on how it's built. And we're done.